Hello, everyone there at Moravia Health, Philadelphia. My name is Charles Marine. I am I work for your local SEO professionals. We're a small company helping small businesses pull in more clients throughout their local area. I live and work here in Philadelphia, and I hope to be able to give you a few tips that can help you pull in more customers and clients. And why am I doing this? Well, first of all, I was reading an article from searchenginejournal.com. This was early on this year in February. And this statistics really stands out. 90% is the percentage of consumers who use the internet to find a local business in the last year. That means if you're not ranking high on Google searches, you're missing out on a lot of clients, a lot of your market. And it's known, Google released some statistics, I think, last year, or no, 2 years ago. But that said, about 70% of people who search click on the first page, on the front page. So if you're not ranking up here, you're missing out on a lot of clients. So another reason I'm doing this is because local businesses have found that business owners or franchise owners like yourself don't have enough time or don't have the time to actually dive deep into this. And sometimes they just throw money at the problem, at different CEO or digital marketers who do a shoddy job. You know, they're in it just they don't give enough value or enough bang for your buck. So I want to prove myself. And I want to give you 3 tips today that are going to help you drive more clients to your website and to your, get more phone calls and to your business. And those 3 tips are to do with 3 things very important in ranking up in Google searches. They are content, citations, and backlinks. Content, citations, backlinks. So let's start with content. Now, content is everything that is on your front page, everything that I've highlighted, the pictures, the text. This is what Google scours over whenever they're scraping the web and ranking sites. And generally, they like to see about 1,000 to 1,500 words of authoritative content. And using a free tool online, I put in your website and I can tell there are about 700 words of content. So it would be good to optimize your site by adding probably about 600 to 800 words of of keyword-rich content, saturated with keywords. Now, by keywords, I mean like these buyer intent keywords. Home care agencies, Philadelphia. If someone is searching for home care and they're in Philadelphia, they're most likely to search for this. And we can see that, just using this tool, I have about 590 people search for that term. And now, like, remember I said 70% of people will click on sites on this, say the top 3 sites on this page, the first page. 70% of 590, that's a huge amount of volume. And that's only regarding this keyword. I'll get into keywords a little bit later. But that's it for content rich. Oh, one last thing. Surprisingly, sometimes, not sometimes. Sometimes the way your images are saved, like I can tell this was saved as IMG3, that doesn't count that much. To optimize, I would name it with a content-rich keyword, like, for example, home care health agency, Philadelphia, nurse, and then save it as that. So Google reads that and knows that's more to do with what your business is about. All right, that's it for content. The next is citations. So coming back to the search here, before I get into it, just one thing I want to mention. The first results you see are usually ads, Google ads. And with Google ads, they're always hit or miss because a lot of people these days have an ad blocker, which blocks off these ads. And secondly, they're expensive. It's pay-per-click, so anyone might click by mistake or see maybe it's not what they were really searching for and leave your website. That drives up your advertising costs because you're not getting organic people visiting your site. Citations have to do with this section here below the Google ads. Now, a citation is anywhere on the internet in any directory that your name address and phone number are cited. Your exact name, your exact address, and your exact phone number. So the more citations you have from authoritative directories, the higher you'll rank here. Okay, so the third thing I want to talk about are backlinks. And they have to do with this organic section down here below the map pack. We all know the internet is like a bunch of web pages all linked together. A backlink is when one web page links to your web page. Say on a blog, on a healthcare blog, someone mentions how great your agency is and place your link there, and it directs people to your website. That's what's known as a backlink. Now I have a tool, it's a very popular tool called Ahrefs, and you can put in any website and kind of analyze it. Now I put in your website and I put in your competitor, the very first person who ranks here, who is these others are directories, as you can see, but this is Synergy Home Care Philadelphia. I noticed that Synergy is a franchise and it's a national franchise, so they're definitely their main domain, synergyhomecare.com, is going to be really big. However, we're targeting a local search, so that's why I put in their exact address for Philadelphia. This is what people see when they're looking for home care in Philadelphia. So, just to take a look at your backlinks, I like to come here and see the strength of your backlinks. A lot of them are in the 0 to 20 range, from 0 to 100. And it's preferable to get higher rated backlinks up here. Now, if you look at their backlinks, definitely the strength of their franchise makes them rank higher. But if you look at their backlinks, they're also distributed here around this release between 0 and 20. Now let's look at the organic keywords that they rank for, because this is also very important in bringing you up in the organic search section, along with backlinks. Let's look at the first one. When someone's searching for home care in Philadelphia, they're probably going to type in this. And in fact, the volume that we're told, about 200 type it in per month. From that, they get 21 people trafficking in. 21 new clients trafficking in because they're at the third position. So if there was a way, if we could rank, if we could get your keywords to outrank Home Care Philadelphia, you'd be grabbing this traffic here, these 21 people. Same thing with Home Health Philadelphia. 100 people search for it, they get 15 people going to their site because of it, and because they're in the third place. So that's why it's important to choose your keywords carefully, ones that have a lot of volume. 6 people come in because in 6 positions 6 people come in to the website, etc. If we look at your organic keywords for your website, the highest volume ones have your actual name in it. That means these are customers who already know you. And we're looking for, yes, repeat customers are great, but those who don't even know your name, who just Google Home Care Philadelphia, there are a lot more, and you can get more traffic and more clients if you rank yourself higher in Google. So those are the 3 things I wanted to talk about: citations, backlinks, and content. I added in a few things about keywords, which is great. You can use this information, give it to your website or SEO person to take a look and implement, help you get more business, and more clients coming to you. Or if you want to save time, you can. I would love to be able to work with you. Once again, my name is Charles Marine. My information is here. You can pause if you'd like to contact me. My email address and my phone number is 215-770-1621. Thank you very much. Have a great rest of your day.